Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Podia product listings for US customers, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Podia product listings for US customers, start by logging into your Podia account. Navigate to the products section from the main dashboard. Select the product you wish to update from the list. Once the product details page opens, review the title and description for accuracy. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive for your US audience. Update the product description to highlight features that appeal to customers in the US. Next, check the pricing section. Ensure that your prices are competitive and listed in US dollars. If you offer a discount, update the original and sale prices accordingly. Scroll down to the Images section. Upload high-quality images that resonate with your target market. Ensure these images comply with any relevant regulations for the US. Next, adjust your sales copy if needed. Use language that is engaging and tailored to your audience. Consider adding testimonials or social proof if available. Now, move to the access or delivery settings. Confirm that the product delivery method meets US customer expectations. You may want to offer instant access for digital products. If applicable, check your membership settings for any adjustments. Review the SEO settings to improve discoverability. Implement keywords relevant to your target US audience in the meta title and description. Lastly, save your changes. Preview your listing to ensure everything appears correct. Once satisfied, publish the updates so they are live for your customers. Regularly revisit your product listings to keep them fresh and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.